Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the in operator in Python. You use the in operator if you want to check to see if an item exists in some type of iterable. It also works on other objects besides just iterables, but for the purpose of the newbie bytes, we're just going to focus on lists, strings, tuples, the basic objects that we've already been working with. The general syntax for this is you type the item that you're looking for, the in keyword, and then the iterable that you want to search through. Here we have a list of fruits, which are apple, banana, and cherry. Now we're going to print the results of the expression apple in fruits. And when we do that, we get back true. It searches through, it sees that apple is in fact one of the items inside of the list, and so it just returns true. What do you think is going to happen here? We actually get back false. And that's because the string A is not a list item. A, it does exist inside one of the items, but it is not an item by itself. If we had another item in the fruits that was just the string A, now it would be true because A would be an item of the list. But since the only items are apple, banana, and cherry, A technically is not a member of the list. You can check to see if characters exist inside of a string. Here we are just checking, is the character A inside of the string apple? Well, in this case, our iterable is apple, so each individual character becomes an item of that iterable. And yes, A does exist in apple. We can also use numbers such as integers or floats. Here we have the list of scores that we looked at in a previous byte, and we're checking to see if 99 is in scores and if 15 is in scores. Well, 99 is in scores. It exists right here. So for the first line, we get back true. And for the second line, 15 does not exist in scores. So we get back false. Now, depending on what you need, sometimes you want to check if an item is not in a list or a tuple or a string. So here we're saying that 100 represents a perfect score. So if 100 is not in scores, then we're going to print out did not find a perfect score. So you can see that works. So this can be a little confusing when you first learn this in Python. Let's break it down step by step. Here we have the same list of scores, and we're going to just check to see if 100 is in scores. When we do that, we get back false. 100 is not in scores, and so 100 in scores has a value of false. Using the other Python keyword not, when we run this code, we get back true. The fancy name for this is called logical negation. But all that's really happening is that when you use this not keyword in Python, it will give you the opposite Boolean. 100 in scores is false. So when we add in the not keyword, false becomes true. If the original expression had been true and we added in the not keyword, then it gives us back false. And that's why right here, 100 not in scores, this expression actually evaluates to true. And that's why we enter in the if block and we get that did not find a perfect score. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you understand a little bit better how to use the in keyword and the not keyword. Good luck on today's byte.